We all have a mission. Whether we have already found it or are still searching for it, whether as individuals or as a community, we have made it our mission to support people with their plans, to help them realize their calling, inspiring them to make a contribution with everything they do. That's why we continue to develop every day, challenging, renewing, improving. We tread new paths, and we would like to inspire others to do the same. We have been overcoming these challenges for some time now, and they affect us all. How we can leave a world worth living in for future generations. How we can learn together to deal with major tasks. How we can get things done. Let actions speak for themselves. Realize ideas together. Make the everyday extraordinary. And make a difference with our quality. As a company, as a team, together. That's why we give our best and make your mission our mission for a clean world on both a small and a large scale, because cleanliness preserves value. Renew to sustain. Together, we make a powerful impact towards a clean world.